guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Wyatt here along with Mr. Eli over here. And today we are racing the 12 car at Jackson Motor Speedway. Hoping to have a good night. It's nice outside and we got the car all fixed up and ready. We had to do a little bit of body work and repaint it, and we changed over some spark plugs because we were having limp mode issues last week. As y'all saw, if y'all watched the video, we had some heat, cooling issues and limp mode issues. So cooling issues have been completely resolved up here, and hoping to go out and have no limp mode tonight. So yeah, I just want to show y'all a little bit of what we did. Obviously the car's all dirty because I just went out for packing the track, but this is still all dented. We try to pull this out a little bit more, but we just got this whole repainted. We repainted a bit of it, got a bunch of dents out of the car, and the main thing is that we had this part. Oh, this isn't spray painted yet. I need to get on this. We got this piece re-welded on here because this hole right here and right over there this whole piece was shaking. It was not secured. The welds back here were fine, but these ones up here were not. So we had this welded, and yeah, it's looking good. It isn't shaking anymore. And we actually, oh, this is dirty, of course. We had a, nope, it was on the other side. Hold on. We had between the brake rotor and I don't know if you're going to see it. I don't know what that piece is called, if I'm being honest. But there was a rock stuck in between there, and that's what was making all that squealing last time we were here at Jackson. So yeah, we got all that fixed, so hopefully the car will run great. And yeah, I'll see y'all after hot laps.
Hey guys, this is Jimmy. We are about to do some hot laps out here at Jackson. 11 hot shots tonight, and we're also rooting for the Longhorns. We got one car that's out already, and then they'll get started.
Okay guys, just got back to the pits. I don't know if y'all could tell from the stands footage over the engines of the other cars, but the car was going into limp mode again. So look who it is over there. So we didn't get that fixed. I got the GoPros, they're here, but the SD cards are probably back at my house somewhere. They're not here, I know that for sure. Probably still in my computer from last week. So I'm sorry about that. I know y'all like to see the in cars, and I know Skylar likes to look at the in cars and evaluate what I'm doing. So but other than that, we're gonna have to try and figure out something with the limp mode before the heats or features. But if not, of course, like last week, I can still run, and I'll just be at a slight disadvantage. So that's it for now. Or for now, I should say for now. We're about to go out, or not about, we're gonna go out for the heats in a little bit, and hopefully it goes well. I'm in the second heat, starting second row inside. So yeah, I'll see you after the heat.
Factory stocks, you're on call. The green light is out. Heat race number 2 for the hot shots.
Well, guys, you just saw in that heat race that obviously I had a lot of issues, especially at the end. Limp mode. It's just we have Mr. Phillip's gonna let us use the scanner, and hopefully it'll be something we can fix tonight. But if not, I'll just have to run it. At the end I did mess up. I didn't turn it all the way off enough. I did it too quick and it didn't reset it, so I just dropped. After the 33 got past me, I dropped way back. And I finished off the race, and hopefully I won't make that mistake again. But you know, it's difficult out there turning the car off and on every lap. But we'll see what we can get done, and hopefully, I mean, if we can get through the feature without taking any damage, I mean, that's great. I'll go home with a little bit of money and no damage on the car, so that we can just go straight into fixing whatever's happening here. So yeah, we'll have the feature. Let's see, I'll be starting 4th row outside, maybe. I'm not quite sure. Probably 4th row outside, but I'll see y'all after the feature. Well, can I take those off the old engine? These? Yeah.
But you need a primary. That's your air fuel. It's not an air fuel. That's primary.
Okay, guys, just a quick update. So Mr. Phillip over there, he had a scanner with him, so he came over here and scanned the car for the codes, and we he is pretty certain that it's this sensor right here, right there. These bolts come out. We can get that one off of the old engine along with this one down here, just this whole piece down here. We can get both of those off the old engine, but that's not something we can do tonight. that would most likely be the issue because the oil level is fine, everything else is fine. So yeah, I'll just have to run it with limp mode tonight and do my best and get to work on it as soon as I can, I guess tomorrow, and see if we can replace both of those sensors right there. So yeah, almost time for the feature.
Didn't make his heat race. So starting at the back of the field, could be interesting for the number 60 off and at the corner. They shall start side by side, coming off the field.
So guys, we're back at my grandpa's house after this nice nice night of racing. It's only like 10:30, so it's not super late, but I'm sure that y'all are wondering what happened. Pretty much when I was going into the corners, I was cutting the car off and back on real quick so that it wasn't going into limp mode in the straightaways. And unfortunately, on lap 2 going in the middle of turns 1 and 2, I did that and it didn't come back on for some reason. I mean, I don't push the clutch in or take it out of gear or anything. I just one click and then click back really quick. So I don't know why it didn't come back on, but I just had to hold on. And I got hit pretty much square on the tire. It was I had the tire turned to the right. So it was more like this right here. You can see all this is a little bent up right here. But overall, we didn't find anything bent or broken. We did find, you can't really see it back there. Well, maybe you can. Up here, this one of these nuts. This nut has come loose right here, so it's tied down right now, so I can't shake. I might be able to, but it's basically this tire, this entire thing, the rotor and all of the strut and everything is moving back and forth a little bit, and that was the issue. So that should hopefully be all of it. The car, I did come off because the car wouldn't crank up. It was trying to start, but it wouldn't start. I don't know why it did that, because when I got back to the pits, it cranked right up and it was running fine. Or it sounded like it was running fine. So, and no leaks or anything under the car. So, hopefully, we can get those 2 sensors replaced, and that will be the end of the limp mode problems, at least until something else arises. But Jackson only has one more race, which is next week, and then some other tracks are racing for the rest of September and into October. So yeah, we still have a little bit of racing left. Hopefully this car still has a little bit of racing left in it, but I mean, I'm just glad that nothing is severely damaged. And I mean, hey, the Longhorns and the Mississippi State Bulldogs won tonight, so that's one good thing that happened tonight. Yeah, that's it for me tonight. Just my nice little 12 car here. Yeah. All right. So I'll see y'all in hopefully sometime next week. Hopefully the car will be ready to go. And be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Or
else.
Yes, sir.